This is a tutorial on how to complete discussion topics for the Online English 101 class. In the Online English 101 course, you will be asked to participate in several discussion topics. These are areas where you can interact with fellow students by posting information and then replying to various students. So you'll be using this frequently in the course. You'll know that you are dealing with a discussion topic because the assignment will be labeled as such. So let's go into this first one that you'll be doing, the class introductions, which is clearly labeled as a discussion topic. You'll want to read the instructions very carefully and then enter the discussion topic. Your instructions should be there again for you to read and be prepared for your answer. And then you will start a new thread. You will be in a subject text box, and in here you would need to give a title for your discussion. In some cases, your instructor will be specific about what kind of information should be there. Then there is the main message box in which you can compose your answer. Again, follow all instructions, answer every question, answer thoroughly, and provide your own insights as you interact and provide information on the concepts that you're discussing in the course. So you can type your information. You do have the grammar check and spell check capabilities. You also have the ability to change your font size, various other features here. There is to the right 3 little dots that will give you some more options if you need them. If you need to attach an item, there's a place to do that. You can upload a file by simply dragging and dropping it in the area, and you'll see that that will be listed. You can also record if you would like, if that is something your instructor wants you to do. So there's that capability as well. Once you've proofread your answer, you're happy with all of that information, you can then click Post, and you'll see that your information is there. If you would like to reply to a student, then you would go into their post and simply click Reply to Thread and then type your message and post. So that is a tutorial on how to do the discussion topics, and if you have any questions, of course, contact your instructor for more information.